Hello everyone, welcome back to MJ Simplified channel. In the previous video, we learned about distinct and or operator. Today we will learn about the like operator, which is used to search data based on the patterns. Just imagine you have 1,000 of employee records in your table and you want to find the employee whose name start with letter A or whose email contains like Gmail or Yahoo. They're like a special kind of or similar kind of records you want to find. So in that case, we can use the like operator. Like instead of checking each record manually, we can use like operator to find all similar kind of records. So let's understand like what is like operator. As we discussed, like operator is used to find the pattern matching records, right, in SQL. So here is the syntax for the like operator, how we will use with the query. Like select a star from table name where, like, on which column we want to like apply this like pattern, operators. So then column name like and then patterns. In the like uses special wildcard characters for the in the within the pattern, actually, like underscore or percent represents like 0 1 or multiple characters, whereas underscore represent exactly one character. So let's understand these like operator with these special character in patterns, how it will we have with the practical example. So let's move to the busy admin. So we have the employee table where we can see all these records like employee name, employee ID, employee salary, employee department, and employee email. So in this table, suppose we have to find or search the employee based on different names and email patterns. Like suppose I want the employee, uh, all those employees record whose employee name is a start with letter A. In that case, what we'll do, just select a star from employee where employee name like, and in single quotes we will give the pattern like A and then percent. A means like it the first character should be like a character A, and after that there is a person as I explained, right? So this is special wildcard characters. This represent like 0 1 or multiple characters after the whatever we have like declared before this percent. So it will go in, I mean it will find all the employee names, employee details whose employee name is a start with letter A. So you can see that 20 records are coming for the employee name starting with letter A. Similarly, if we want to find the others and all, we can just change here and we can find that too. Like suppose I want, just let me change this to B, and I can see that all the B related employees are coming. Like with percent contains, find the employee whose email contains Gmail. In this case, what we will do, we will just place these, let me show you here, like just place the Gmail and percent. So what it will, employee email. So what it will check? It will check like Gmail particular word into the email columns for the employee. So you can see that all these, wherever you are seeing Gmail, those records only it will return. As you can see, we have 200 record, but it is returning 45 records for this, right? So percent Gmail percent means here anything before Gmail and anything after Gmail. So it will just look like before this Gmail, as I mentioned, right, percent, and after also. So this percent means anything like 0 character, 1 character, or multiple characters before this Gmail can be there, and similarly after the Gmail also. So it will just find a special word into the email like Gmail. Similarly, we can change that to like a Yahoo or Outlook, whatever you want as per your need, we can change it. So this is the most common use of like. It helps us to search for a specific text anywhere within the column. Like not in the email only, we can find a name also. So now let's discuss about the like with percent at end. As we have already seen, right? Starting with characters and then percent, and also I have explained you like if some particular words we have added or character between the percent, right? Similarly, just if I will be like if we want to find a record which is like a particular employee name ends with this character. In that case, what we'll do? Just place a character in the last and before that percent means anything character like any character before this last character which we will be defining here. So let me show you that in the here. Let me go, like suppose I want all the employee name, all the employee details whose name ends with like digit 7. So let me execute this. As you can see that all the employees details are coming whose name is last character is 7. You can see that, right? So similarly, this means like anything before 7, it will basically discard, will not consider that. Just it will check the last character of this employee name should be 7, and those records it will filter and return. Now discuss with like with single characters. As I explained already, right? We will be using like two special wildcard special character, person and underscore. So now we will learn about like how we will see like how the underscore we have with the query when we are using with the like in the pattern, right? So like with the special characters underscore to find a single characters, as we already discussed, right? Underscore represent exactly a single character for that, right? So suppose I want to find the names where first letter is A and then second letter can be anything. Just first letter I want A, and after that second letter can be anything, but that if we will be like providing a single underscore, in that case means there should be a single character after that. Let me exchange this one, A underscore. So what it will do, you can see we don't have any records because let me show you this, because whatever we were seeing that letter start with letter A, there was more than, sorry, it should be emp name. So there was like more than one character even after A also. That's why it was not showing, right? So let me show you something like this. Suppose I want here ALICE underscore like this. So what will happen? It will check less and underscore. Suppose I just given like two underscore means it will just see after like this particular word there should be two character at max for this particular query. So look, you see that one records are coming, right? Elias underscore one means first it will just match this one, whatever we have given the before underscore, and then it will check if we have given two underscore means we'll find the two character of that. So here you can see the first character underscore, second character is one. If we will be finding like more than two, if we will add here, then it will look here, it will come all these like 18 records and all. Correct? So in real world project, like is often combined with where and or another condition to filter data efficiently. Like we can apply the multiple condition also along with the like operator here. So now that we have learned about the like operator, so let's talk about one of its powerful alternative in PostgreSQL, that is called ILIKE. The like operator performs a case sensitive search, which means it treats uppercase and lowercase differently. For example, if the employee name is stored in like table like Amit Sharma and we search using like Amit in lowercase, In that case, what will happen? And in the database, if like Amit is starting with letter capital letter A, so the like keyword, like operator will not return any data, because like will exact match whatever we are basically applying in the pattern. For solving these problems, in PostgreSQL provide the ILIKE operator, which perform the case insensitive search. So let's move to the PG admin, and we will see like how like and ILIKE operator we have differently. So let's go to the PG admin, and here let me execute this. As you are seeing that all the records coming whose employee name is starting with character A, correct? But this in the same script, if I will add a small letter A character, in this case you will see the return results are not coming. Means this like is basically considering the case sensitive whatever we are passing in the pattern matching, right? So here if I will add just I like instead of like, and we are providing the lowercase a, still I can see that 20 records. Even if I can pass uppercase, it will not bother about the case whatever providing in the pattern matching, right? So this makes I like very useful in the real world application, where users may enter search terms using, like whenever you are applying the filters, or in the suppose in UI you have seen somewhere, right? By typing to find something like details like user or any other details, even if you are finding an uppercase or lowercase, it will not bother like what you are providing there. So in the background they're using like I like operator to fetch the details instead of considering their case. So thank you so much for watching this video. As we today we discuss about like with all those like percent and underscore as wildcard special characters with the in the pattern, and also we discuss about the I like and how like I like is different than like operators. So thanks for watching this video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please do like, subscribe and share and comment on this video. Thank you so much.